Hello.
ở đây mà.
Hello, princess. Hello.
Không.
Hey, how are you
Ít nhất cũng phải qua bên
today?
kia đi chứ. Không.
Hello.
Nằm xuống.
Oh, there you are. Okay. How are you today? Oh, who is the first? Who is the first? Who is the early bird?
Teacher is the Hello Kitty.
Wow, a cute Hello Kitty drawing. Wow, so cute, princess. Wow, I like it. Oh, where is my book? Oh my God. Animal.
Em một ở đây.
Wow, I like your drawing, princess. Hello, Kay. Nice to see you again. Oh, why you're angry? Why? Why you're angry, Kay? Are you mad? Why?
My sister.
Oh,
I hate my sister.
yes, why? No, don't fight with girls. That's bad. Oh my God.
But you don't choke me.
Oh, what your sister did to you? No more fighting, Kay. That's bad. Don't fight with girls.
No.
That's bad, Kay. Don't fight with girls.
You said
Oh.
always.
Oh, you're just two. You must love one another. You're just two siblings. You need to love one another. Love one another, Kay. That is the key. Okay, I will put the lesson now. Where is the others? Oh my God. Where is Lucy and Lisa? Where is Lucy and Lisa? Do you see Lisa and Lucy?
I don't know.
Oh, you're just three of us. Okay, wait. I will find them. Oh, look, there's a dancing girl. Oh, where are Lisa? Lisa off tonight, miss. Okay, Lisa is off tonight. Where is Lucy? How about Lucy?
Teacher, what is pen and paper?
No, this is a lesson. Don't worry, don't bring pen and paper. Okay, let's wait for Lucy for just few minutes. I'm thirsty, you know. I'm thirsty. Do you have food today, Kay? You don't have food today? Lucy, where is Lucy? Okay, now let's start. Who is the early bird today? Who is the early bird today? Kay or Princess?
Hey.
Okay, Kay, please read aloud the lesson.
Fun farm movies. Unit 3.
Are you now Kay, Princess?
The farm.
Are you now Kay? Oh, Princess is excited. Okay, Kay, please read aloud first. Kay, please read aloud. Okay, Fun for Movers, Unit 3, Fun at the Farm. That is the title of our lesson for today. Now, let's have vocabulary. Okay,
Cow.
K, repeat after me.
Cow.
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 Princess,
Cow.
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 Cow. Next, princess.
Cow.
What is
Cow.
this?
Sheep.
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 Okay, sheep.
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 Very good. Next.
Sheep.
Oh, what's this, Kay? What is this?
Horse. Horse.
Horse. Repeat after me.
Horse.
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 Very good. Princess,
Horse.
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 Okay, question. Have you seen a cow before? Have you
Camel.
seen? Oh, you. Where did you see a cow?
Cow is people eat the drinking the milk.
Okay, we drink the milk of the cow. Yes, and also the meat. We eat the meat like beef. Very good. How about sheep, Kay? Have you seen a sheep before? Have you seen a sheep before?
Yes.
Oh, where? Where did you saw a sheep? Kiss mommy. Oh, you're dirty na. You're dirty. Kiss mommy. Come here. Come here. Kiss mom. Where did you saw a sheep, Kay? Kiss mama. What is this?
Cow. Sheep. Horse.
Very good, very good. Sige na. Okay, go back, go back. Okay, where did you see a sheep on a farm? Next. Princess, what is this?
Horse.
Yes. What is horse? Have you seen a horse before?
Before the run.
Okay, horse, we ride a horse. We ride a horse. And also horse used for racing. Yes, for horse racing. Good job.
Yeah.
Next
Horse.
picture. Now let's have this. What is this, Kay? This is, Kay, a rabbit. Repeat after me.
Rabbit.
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 Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Okay,
Rabbit.
princess. Rabbit.
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 Dog.
Next, how about this? What is this? Princess.
Dog.
A duck. Duck.
Duck.
Yes. Repeat after me.
Duck.
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 Duck. Okay?
Duck.
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 Where are you, Kay? What happened? Kay, please focus on our lesson.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes,
Rabbit.
please.
Duck.
Okay, duck. Now, what is this,
Duck.
Kay?
Chicken.
Chicken. Very good. Repeat after me.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay, princess.
Chicken.
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 Chicken. Very good. So, what is the rabbit can do? What is the rabbit can do? They can?
Rabbit in the jump.
Yes, they can jump. Very good. How about the duck, Kay? What is the duck can do? What is the duck can do? The duck can. The duck can. Hello, Kay. Are you watching TV? Kay, please focus to our lesson.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the duck? What can duck can do? What is the duck can do? They can swim.
Swimming.
Yes, with their feet. Next, chicken. What can we have to a chicken?
Chicken the egg.
Eggs. Yes, we can have eggs to a chicken. Good job, class.
Chicken.
Now, let's have this. What is this, princess?
Fly.
Repeat after me. Very good.
Fly. Fly.
Fly. Okay.
Fly.
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 Okay. Fly.
Fly.
Next. Okay.
Fly.
What is this? What is this, Kay? Kay, hello, Kay. What is this? Okay, this is climb.
Climb. Climb.
Climb. Repeat after me, princess.
Climb.
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 Climb. Climb.
Next, princess, what is this?
Swim.
Okay, swim.
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 Okay?
Swim.
Teacher, it's toilet, please.
Swim.
Swim.
Teacher, it's toilet, please.
You're right. What is, oh, you go out? Okay, you go to the toilet. Go, princess. Take your time. Okay, why are you laughing, Kay? Oh my God, Kay, why are you laughing?
Fly, climb, swim.
Okay, very good, Kay. Okay, now we are done.
Swim.
Now, what's on the farm? Can you see the picture? What's on the farm? We see a cloud. Now, can you please circle what do you see in the picture?
Okay.
Okay. Kay, please answer, Kay. Okay, I can see a cloud. A cloud. Next, a field. Where is the field? There, a field. Next,
A truck. A truck.
Mm-hmm.
A chicken. A rabbit. A dog. A
Mm.
kitten. A cat.
Okay, very good. Now let's have a truck. There is the truck. A roof. Yes, there is the roof. A chicken.
A chicken.
Yes,
A
the
rabbit.
chicken.
A
The
rabbit.
rabbit. Okay.
A dog.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's have a rabbit, a duck, a kitten, a tractor. Now repeat after me. Okay, Kay, please read aloud. Kay, a cloud. Kay, Kay, hello. Please read aloud. A cloud.
Yes, teacher.
A
can
cloud.
A cloud.
Next. Next. Kay,
Cloud. 5.
a
Truck.
field.
Roof. A field. Truck. Roof. A chicken. Rabbit. Dog. Chicken.
A tractor.
Tractor.
Very good. Okay, your turn, princess. Princess. Where is princess? Oh my God, princess. Oh, princess, where are you? Okay, welcome back, princess. Please read aloud.
Yes. A cloud. A fly. A truck. A rat. A chicken. A rabbit. A dog. A cat. Petrol.
A kitten, a tractor.
A
Tractor.
petrol.
Very good. Roof, a roof. Okay, next. Now answer the questions. How many chickens do you see, Kay? How many chickens do you see?
I see 5 chicken.
5 chickens, correct? Next question. How many potatoes on the ground? How many potatoes on the ground, princess?
Yes.
How many?
1, 2, 4.
Okay, 4 potatoes. Next question. Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Kay? Kay, where's the rabbit? Kay! Oh my God, Kay.
Yes.
Where's
In
the
a
rabbit?
tree. In
In
the
a tree.
tree.
Oh, yes, correct. In a tree. In a tree. Okay, next. Wait.
In the tree.
Next question. Where's the woman? Where's the woman, princess?
It's the woman Woman is the
Water puddle. Water puddle, is that correct?
Some water.
Okay, water puddle. Okay, play the water. Next, question K. Where's the tractor?
Some thò đó.
Yes, where's the tractor, K? Miam, Miam. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Madungis ka. Okay. Is in the, K? Is in the field.
In the field.
Yes, field. Okay, next question, Princess. What's your favorite animal in the picture?
Dog.
Dog. How about K? What is your favorite animal in the picture? K. Okay, my favorite animal is the chickens. Chickens.
Rabbit. Cow.
Okay, I will take a screenshot of this. Dog and chickens. Now let's have section B. Section B, class. Okay, we have 1 to 7. I will give a sign to Princess, K, me, Princess, K, me, and Princess. Okay, please answer number 1, Princess.
The children go to farm every Saturday afternoon.
Yes. Okay, number 2.
Mr. Mr. Plant.
Okay,
Plant.
Mrs. Plant. Okay, let's check. Next, number 3, the children carry Mrs. Plant's potatoes for her. Next, Princess, number 4.
But teacher, where's Lisa and Lucy?
Lisa is off today. But Lucy, I don't know. Maybe Lisa sleeping now. Lucy is sleeping now. At the farm, the kids give the
sausage.
Okay.
Sausage the fruit. At
To the farm.
At the farm, gives them sausage their food.
Okay, animals, their food. Next, number 5, okay? Number 5, okay? Hello, Kay. Number 5, the children. Okay, number 5.
The children there go to the farm.
There.
Go
Okay, bikes to the farm. Next, Mrs. Plant's kittens is called Sunny. Number 7, Princess.
Yes, the pets on the farm are
Very okay, sweet. Sweet.
sweet.
Now, Kay, can you name 2 characters in our story?
Mr. Plant and the children.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Mr. Plants and Sunny. Oh, Sunny? No, 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 no. Sister. Correct. Very good, class. Now, I will screenshot this one. This is also my homework. Okay. This is my homework too. I have also a homework. Lucy will come to class. Few minutes, please. Okay. Oh, Lucy will come to the class. Let's wait for Lucy. Okay, we are done. Let's have section C. What is section C? Listen and color. Liam, Liam. Okay, now let's listen to the audio, class. Please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
3C. Fun at the farm. Look at the picture. Listen and colour. 1.
Can I colour the sheep in this picture?
Yes. Would you like to colour it blue?
That's a funny colour for a sheep.
Yes, it is. Do you like that colour?
Yes, I do.
2.
Now colour the door for me. Can you see it?
The door of the house.
Yes.
Okay, wait. I will assign 1 to 5. K, Princess, me, K.
Teacher, listen again, please.
Okay. Maybe Lucy will come. K, Princess, me, Lucy, K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will play the audio now. Please listen carefully.
Look at the picture. C. Fun at the farm. Look at the picture. Listen and colour. 1.
Can I colour the sheep in this picture?
Yes. Would you like to colour it blue?
That's a funny colour for a sheep.
Yes, it is. Do you like that colour?
Yes, I do.
2.
Now colour the door for me. Can you see it?
The door of the house.
Yes, that's right.
Shall I colour it with my red pencil?
Yes. Good idea.
Teacher, red pencil.
Can I colour the puppy now?
Yes? Yes, Princess?
The dog is the red pencil.
Okay, you can color now. Please listen carefully, class.
3C. 3C. Fun at the farm. Look at the picture. Listen and colour. 1.
Can I colour the sheep in this picture?
Yes. Would you like to colour it blue?
That's a funny colour for a sheep.
Yes, it is. Do you like that colour?
Yes, I do.
2.
Now colour the door for me. Can you see it?
The door of the house.
Yes, that's right.
Shall I colour it with my red pencil?
Yes, good idea.
3.
Can I colour the puppy now?
Yes. Which colour shall we make the puppy?
Can I make it yellow because I love that colour?
OK. I like that colour too.
4.
And now, please colour the tall grass. Can you see it?
Yes, it's near the girl.
That's right. Colour that tall grass purple.
OK, I'm doing that now.
Great. Well done.
Oh, just 4 only? No 5? Okay, now please color now. Hi, Lucy. Welcome back. I can see you, Lucy. Where are you? Now I will color number 1, Kay. What is the answer?
Teacher, what?
Okay, number 1. Okay,
Yes.
what is number 1?
Number 1 is white.
Okay, white. Next, princess,
Yes.
the door.
The dog is the pencil red.
Okay, red. Here, door. Number 3, a puppy yellow. A puppy yellow. Next, number 4, grass purple. Very good, Lucy. Okay, very good. Oh, what happened, Lucy? Hello, Lucy. Nice to see you again. Okay, there. I will take a picture first. Okay, Lucy, why you hate me, Lucy? Why? Oh, what did you do, Lucy? Did you eat dinner? Hello? Okay, now we are done. I will put first the answer. Now, number 1 is white. Number 2 is door, puppy, and grass. Sorry, Lucy, we cannot pause the lesson waiting you because we have also classmates. Yes, they attend early. So if you are the one who is waiting, it's unfair to them. That's why I have no choice to proceed the lesson. Yes. Okay. Time is running, Lucy. Time is running. That's why I don't have a choice. Sorry. Next, let's have D. Okay, look at the animals and why no? Oh, you're late, so we don't have a choice. But don't worry, we have long lessons. Don't worry, you can catch up. Now, look at the animals and answer the questions. Question number 1, Princess. What can birds do?
What is the fly?
Yes, they can fly. Next question, Kay. Oh, Lucy. What can butterflies do? What can butterflies do, Lucy? They can also fly. Correct. Fly. Here, put it here. No. I love you, Lucy. Okay, next. Kay. What can
Yes.
cows do?
Cow can go.
Can? Eat? No? Or what? What can?
Go.
Can run. Can run. Yes, they can run. No. Okay, next. My turn. What can a cow fly? No, the cow can't fly. No, Lucy, no. Okay. No, the cow can't fly. Next question. Okay, a cow is different because it can't fly. Very good. A parrot is different because its colors. Okay, anything else? Okay. A cow. I will send it first to our Zalo. I have also assignment. There. Okay, we are done. Now let's have the next. Section D. Okay, section D. Say which picture is different and why. Okay, don't answer, Lucy. I will give a task random, okay? Let's have number 1 is... Okay, let's start with Lucy, number 1, Kay, Princess, and me. Okay, please start, Lucy. Number 2. Okay, number 2, Princess.
Yes, number 2 is
Oh, wait.
Kay.
Wait. Why is number 1, Lucy? Why is the bat is different?
Because the bat it can fly. The 3 animals, lion, panda, dog, it can't fly.
Yes, very good. Okay, next number 2, Kay.
Thank you.
Which one is different? Which one is different? Number 2. What's that, Lucy? What's that? Okay, number 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, which one is different and why?
Is the peach.
Oh, why?
Because the other don't have the water, but the peach have water.
Okay, correct. Next, number 3, Princess.
Yes, number 3 is picture 1 because the rabbit no swim and shark, whale, and dolphin is the
Okay.
swim.
Very good. The rabbit can swim compared to shark, whale, and dolphin. And number 4, the different is the truck, because these are the parts of the house: window, door, and roof. The truck is different and the truck is moving. The house is not moving. Okay, very good, class. Okay, I will take a picture of this first. Sweet potato. Okay, very good. Liam, quiet please.
Liam.
Yes, Liam is riding a car. Now we have section E. What do we have in section E? Which animals live in these places? Say their names. Okay, question number one. Let's start with Princess.
Number one is you are an animal and you live in the sea. What kinds are you? Whales.
Whales, correct. Whales. I will put it here at the sea. Whales. Next. Okay,
Dolphin.
number two. You're both in the sea now. You're walking in the jungle. Be careful which animals are near. Okay? Which animals are in jungle? Okay. Oh my God, Kay, where are you, Kay? Oh, sorry. I thought you're sleeping now. Okay. Which
Yes.
animal you see in a jungle?
Monkey.
Monkey. Yes, monkey. Next. Lucy, number three. You're hiding in some tall grass in Africa. Shh. Which animals can you see?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo in Africa? A kangaroo is in Australia.
I don't know.
Elephant. Okay, we have elephant. Next. Princess, you live on a farm. Which animals live on your farm too?
Dog and puppy.
Okay, dog. Yes, dog. Correct.
Puppy.
Oh, you don't like dog? Okay, let's have puppy. Okay, good job. You have answered it all correctly. Now ask and answer questions. Which animals are you frightened of, Lucy?
I don't know.
Which animals you are scared of?
Snake.
Oh, snake, like cobras.
Tiger.
Cobras,
Lion.
tigers.
Oh,
Mm, yes. Very good, Lucy. Next, Kay. Which are your three favorite animals? Okay. I know number one is capybara. What is the two favorite animal, Kay? Kay. Yes, which are your three favorite animals? What is your favorite three animals? Okay, hello. What is your favorite animal? Capybara and Kay. Hello, Kay.
yes.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is
Capybara.
yes.
Vừa học vừa chơi suốt nha.
I don't know my animal.
Nói nội là đừng có mép mẹ mà không bao giờ nghe lời nào.
Okay, Kay. Capybara. Next. Oh, what's that, Lucy? Is that a clay? Wow, it's color purple. Next. Princess, which animal would you like to be?
Um,
I like to be.
I like to be the rabbit.
Okay, the rabbit. Very good. Oh,
Goodbye.
oh, why you're going goodbye? We have a games, Lucy.
Sir,
You,
I want to play Kahoot.
okay, let's play Kahoot.
Oh, no.
Oh, what do you like? Okay, who wants to play Kahoot? Raise your hand.
Me.
Oh, the majority wins. Kahoot.
Bye.
Where are you going, Lucy? Oh my God, Lucy. You just have fun. Enjoy the class. Yes, enjoy with your classmates. Oh, not this. Wait. I have a link my Kahoot here.
Teacher, play team the Kahoot.
Okay, how you can press this if I show this? Trivia animal. We can change this? Oh, Liam, no.
From now.
Okay, there.
Blue.
Oh my God, Liam. Okay, parliament. Yes, correct. Okay, your turn.
Seahorses.
Seahorses. Yes. Okay, correct. Princess.
Ant.
Okay, ant. Correct. Next, K. A falcon.
386.
Okay, 386.
386.
Really? 386? Princess, your turn. Oh, okay, my turn. I will get the
bone. Don't get the bone.
I get the bone and the skull.
No.
No, there's no bone. Okay, there's a bone. Okay. Next. Princess. Hummingbird. Okay. Next.
Flamboyant.
Flamboyance. Flamboyance? Okay. Flamboyance. Correct. Princess?
Dolphin.
Dolphins. Wow. Okay, next. Colony. That's fun. Colony. Oh, I get ready now. Oh, I get the bone. I get the double points. Yes, I can do this. It's difficult. Okay. Next.
Cow.
Cows. Correct.
Honeybees.
Honeybees. Octopus has three
Three.
hearts. Crows. Correct. Get ready. Oh, I can do this. I double my points. I double the bones. Oh, the fish. Oh my God. Ah, I'm good catching the coins. A tongue of a blue whale can... An elephant. Okay. Next.
112.
112. Okay. Oh, no. 112.
I said
No.
112.
I forgot. Sorry. Okay, what animal is this?
Koalas.
Koalas. Very good. Chameleon. True. African. Parrot.
Parrot.
Yes, parrot. Next. Oh, I will get ready now. I get the bone.
No.
I will get the bone and the fish. My favorite is the bone and the fish. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh,
no
it's
way.
difficult. Okay.
Oh no.
Get ready. Are you hungry?
112.
Yes, 112. Are you hungry?
No.
Okay, what
Polar
is
bear.
polar
Polar bear.
bears? Correct. Only poop?
Once a week. Once a week.
Once a week. Correct.
Parrot.
Okay, parrot. Next. Oh my God, I get the bone. I'm sorry,
No
guys.
way.
Oh my God, the fish. Oh my God. You know, I have a poor eyesight. Oh, I'm nervous now. I can't get the bonus. Okay, there. That is our score for today. Now, let's have a class dojo. Who submit homework?
Me.
And Princess, do you make homework? Please make a homework class because that is your benefit to our center. Yes. That is also the key of our lessons. Being on time, very good. Doing homework, helping each other on task, participating, persistence. Remember the last lesson. Okay, teamwork and working hard. Okay, where is Lucy? Oh, Lucy is gone now. Sorry, Lucy. I don't know why Lucy is angry. She's late. Oh, she's lucky. I'm not angry person. Okay, let's have for K. You top one for today. Yes, a pancake. Yes, a pancake. Next for Lucy. Oh, Lucy, sorry. For Princess, top two. Yes, top two. An elephant. Now, I'll check your... Okay, I'll check your... This is your screenshot of your grades. Princess still top one. Look. Princess is still top one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Easy.
You need to be more competitive
What it needs top two.
because after our course, you will be given a gift from the center. So please do your best. Do your best, class. That is the key of our lesson. Okay, we have 5 minutes left. What do you want to do? Or do you want to sleep early or you want to have fun?
Fun and fun.
Okay, what do you want to do, Kay?
Play bamboozle.
Bamboozle? Okay, let's play bamboozle. Do you want to play Princess or are you now sleepy? Oh, I want to show you my TikTok. I show you the
No,
capybara.
teacher.
Capybara. Capybara TikTok. You don't like? I show you the capybara dance.
I show you capybara me.
Yes. I'm tired. I'm
Teacher,
trying.
can we play capybara jump?
What's that?
You said the game capybara jump.
Oh, I hurt my hands because I need to click a lot of times.
I am the
Oh.
click man.
Oh, how you can click? How you
I
can?
can click 10,000.
Oh my God! You know my heart, my hands feel Bad because of clicking too much.
It's a TikTok.
How I can write this?
I don't know.
Okay,
Could you
there.
name those 7 people? Kung pwede niyo po pangalan yung 7 members ng DDS na yan po.
I don't know. Well,
Capybara dance. Yes, let's dance. Oh, that's so cute. I love capybara. Yes, that is the capybara dance.
dancing.
Let's-
but can capybara
Yes, maybe this is fake. Yes.
But teacher, yes.
Oh, look, the capybara have a talent. Look, Liam, capybara is dancing now.
Capybara, 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 capybara.
You must memorize that step, K, with your sister. Look, that's fun.
What's this?
Look.
Capybara, capybara,
Wow.
capybara, 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 capybara,
Capybara, capybara, capybara, capybara, cap. Yeah. Wow. Oh, the kids.
Teacher,
Yes, Kay.
I want to play bamboozle.
It's almost time, Kay, and we have
Because
already
you
played.
say the TikTok. What?
Okay, are you willing to extend the time?
Yes,
If
I
you-
will not sleep.
Oh, you will not sleep? You need to sleep, Kay. Oh my God.
But I
Kay.
want to play bamboozle.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Oh, but it's almost already 9 p.m. Is that okay to you?
Two.
Okay, two. Go to the first place. Princess.
11.
Oh, how many points you will take to K?
25.
25. Oh my God. 4.
Cheeseburger.
Correct. Princess.
14.
14.
Cupcake.
Okay.
13. Lighthouse.
Very good. Princess.
15.
15.
Pineapple.
Perfect. Okay.
8.
8. Swap points. Oh my God. Princess.
15.
15. 16. Oh, what is it?
Cowboy.
Cowboy.
5.
5.
Yes. Sunflower.
Very good. Next.
3.
3.
Horseshoe.
Horseshoe.
1.
1.
Handbag.
Okay, handbag.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chair.
12.
Yes. Jellyfish.
Very good. Last 4.
9.
9.
Cream.
Correct. Princess.
Sir.
Oh, I can't hear you, Princess. 7. Oh, 10. What is it?
Skateboard.
Yes. K.
7. Keyboard.
And Princess.
Honeymoon.
Yes. Very good. Oh my God. K is the winner. Okay, K, you can sleep now. Okay, Princess, good night. Good night, Kay. I love you guys. I love you, Kay. I love you, Princess. Good night. Good night, class.